हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक। आप डेटा एनालिस्ट बनना चाहते हो? आ जाओ बॉस, बना दूंगा। आ जाओ बॉस, दिखा दूंगा कैसे बनना है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ न्यू सेशन एंड दिस इज द रोड मैप ऑफ डेटा एनालिसिस for 2024. So hello everyone, let's discuss about how to become a data analyst from scratch, especially if you have a no background of data and not from a coding background, non-coding background. You are from non-coding background. This video is specially for you. Maybe you have a career gap in your career gap and you just want to start a data analysis journey from this day. So this video is for you. No worries, I'm gonna guide you how to become a data analyst and provide you all the resources through this video. Okay, so let's start. And firstly, remember that if you are entering into a data analysis career at any point of your age, it doesn't matter, because any age people can become a data analyst. Okay, and it's not like that you should be a proficient, or means you should be a proficient, but you should not be a master of any requirement. But you should know how it works. There are some skills which I'm going to mention in this video. Okay, so if you are doing a data analysis job, it's not about just doing using a excel. It's all about using a different tools like Power BI. Then there is a Tableau, there is a Google Analytics. These tools are also required, but some company use such a tool, some company don't use. They even use the excel in their whole journey. They don't need such a technical tools. But nowadays the people from analytics, they need several skills like SQL, Excel. Then they need a Power BI tool for visualization. They need a Python or R as a language. Then they need a statistics, understanding of statistics, so they can build formulas to perform a different task. But it's not about, if you are unsure about what is analytics or data analyst does, then the data analysis, what they do is extract the meaningful insight from the data. They get all the information and provide it to a customer, that if they want, for example, if a company want to increase their sale, how they can increase that sale. They have just provided one data set or information of the product, then the sale and the date, and then the data analysis come into the picture and they show this is the your important product, or this is the product which give you a more margin than other project or on other products, or these are the project which sell more than the other products. So these are the work done by the data analytics. Okay, so I'll start with uh before going to the uh, uh, topic which needed, or skills which needed, I'll just share some insight. Like, this field is broad, and you may not have the domain knowledge in every domain. Like, if you may have the domain knowledge in medical, but you don't have domain knowledge in automation. You may have domain knowledge in healthcare, but you don't have knowledge in banking. But it's not about only about domain knowledge. You can go and read as much as information, as much as articles. You read all the articles about the healthcare. If you have a sports data, then you just go through a website, like, for example, the previous video of data analysis series, I have performed the NFL, National Football League data set. So you don't know about the football, how it perform, how many goals are there, how many player play throughout 90-minute game. So you just go watch some league videos, or watch some live football, or go through the Google Sheets, you will get whole knowledge. Okay, so it's not about only a domain knowledge or specific domain knowledge. You just need to read some data, and you'll always gonna, it's no means you're not gonna get all the domain knowledge. You may have a specific domain knowledge, but you have to read and you have to go through the documents. So now let's talk about the skill you needs. You don't have to be master them. You just need to understand well enough to do the jobs separately or effectively. So first is Excel, and you must have the Excel knowledge. For that, I have created, or I have some resources which I'm gonna share with you. The one of the resource is the on Coursera. There is a course called Everyday Excel, and the part one, the instruction is Charlie Nuttleman, and this is a beginner course. So and it given a 4.7 stars. So good reviews. Just go and join. It is enroll for free, and even on Udemy, you can just go and use this. I'm going to share all those links, or all those resources in the description below, on the video description. So use the Excel for beginner. This is a Udemy course, and you just need to log in and enroll for free. And this is created by Dinesh Natarajan Mohan, and 4.5 stars as given, and the people are rating for are high as compared to other courses. So that's why I'm sharing with you. And this is one of the course on a great learning Excel for beginner. It is also free. Enroll free with Google, and you'll get a certification from the great learning. So you can just attach in your LinkedIn bio. It will give you a immense it will give you a benefit of having a certification. So yes, this is the Excel. And in Excel, be proficient in advanced Excel skills like pivot table, power queries, macros, VBA. So Excel is widely used, like 90 to 95% of analytical job is done by Excel. But it happens before 2021. Nowadays, libraries like pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn are used in data analytics, and I'm going to talk all about that. So stay tuned. Okay. And the second most important skill is SQL, structure query language. Structure query language is the heart of data analysis. If you have a good knowledge and good grasp on SQL, you will definitely get the data analysis job easily. Very easily you'll get the data analysis, because most of the interviewer ask they give you a data set, and they will ask you to write a query for this like joining a data. There are joining a data, or they give you a different task, and they want you to perform. And if you perform well, you will definitely get a job, even if you are not able to answer other questions, because SQL is very important as compared to other skills in data analysis. And it is also used in data science, data engineering, because it is one of the core skill which require for data engineering, data analyst, and data science also. Okay. And also for database management engineer, there's a one more profile in the field of analytics. So it is a heart of a data analysis, and around 90% of time recruiter are looking for a strong SQL skills. It is a crucial query and handling for database. So as I mentioned, it is handling for a database. Then we write a query to get a specific data, or if you want we write a query. If I want if I have a data set of 10,000 row, and I want those column which are categorical, I'll just get it by writing a query. That's simple. So but for that, you should know the SQL queries. Okay. After that, we have a statistics. So before moving to statistics, I have get some uh, website which give you immense knowledge, or which can be help you get a good SQL handling. So one of them is SQL hacks. They have good lectures over there, and they have written the written the query also. So you can perform into a MySQL or any other tool, and you can just take their database and perform the task over there. Then there is another site called SQL Pad. It is one of the site you can use for SQL. Then there is a Data Loomer. It is a site which asks you the questions, because this is the histogram of a ट्विटर एसक्यूएल इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन. सो ट्विटर में ये पूछा गया, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन ट्विटर इंटरव्यू. सो हियर you can see all bunch of questions which are asked in an interview. So you can see this is asked in a, this question is asked by a LinkedIn, this question is asked by a Facebook. So if you perform this question, there are the difficulties, hard, easy or medium. You just perform this code into your database or using any database, and once you perform those things, you will get a confidence of you can able to you can able to crack that interview. So those are the questions which are repeatedly asked in an interview. So just go through those questions, but before that you just go through the theory and perform some simple SQL queries. And after doing the SQL theory, you can you can do the these questions. Okay. And one more, there is a lead code. It is also for an interview question. You just need to sign in and create your account here, and they will provide you the questions. You just need to perform here also. You can perform here also, and you can perform in your database also. Then there is a SQL Zoo. Here you can learn all the tutorial about SQL step by step. So it will start with a basic select. Then it will go from select from noble, then select from select. Then there is a sum, there is a count. These are the aggregation function. Then we have a joint. We have a different joint: inner joint, outer joint, cross joint, left joint, right joint. There is a multiple type of joints you can learn. There is a this is the COVID-19 data set. You can just go through that. There's a tutorial puzzle. You can do all these puzzles. Then here you can create and drop instructions. All those things are mentioned here. You can just go through this website. You can do whatever you want to do with SQL. Okay, so you can perform any kind of questions by using this tutorial. Okay. Then there is one more site called Strata Scratch. They also provide a good comprehensive review of online platform for SQL query, SQL interview question for data analysis position. So you can just go. There is a Postgres versus MySQL, which is better analytical tool. You can just go and Google it. Just go through this, and you can use both of them, or you can use which is which is easy to understanding to yourself. Just go through the Postgres and MySQL. If you are new or beginner, just go through a one video and you'll understand which one works for you. So database interview questions. So you can just go through this website. I'm going to provide all the resources in the description of this video. Okay. And now we have a statistics. So in the statistics, what we have, so this is the hevodata.com, and they have covered all the statistic related requirement for data analytics. But if you want to learn more about analytics, you can just go through Khan Academy. They have also good content over there. I'm gonna share with in the description. I'll share the link also. But this is one side where you will get all the things for data analysis. What is statistics for data analysis? Types of descriptive statistic, informative analytics, then the population and sampling distribution of data, measure of central tendency. One of the question asked in interview on central tendency, means in the data analytics field, these are the topic are very important, like central limit theorem, then p value, then hypothesis testing, then ANOVA testing. Those are the things which are gonna ask you in the about statistics. So go through all those data I'm going to provide in the description. Okay, now we have a data visualization. Once you have gathered the data, for first of all, you need to gather the data. Sometime it is a online data, or sometime is it is a local data, local CSV file. You have getting a batch data, or you have a online data. Batch data means you are getting some CSV file or Excel file or JSON file. Then you perform the analytics on that. But sometimes you have to get online data, like online data, as for example, if you have a Facebook data or Instagram data, like in Instagram, which people who is having a more view on which video, or but this is online data because it is every minute it is getting, or every second it is getting increased by the view. If viewers are increasing, likes are increasing, all those data will you will get uh, is is in the online data format. Okay, then we do the data visualization. You need to present it into a understanding way, like tools like a Power BI, Tableau, or even in Excel. You can create a compiling visualization. In Excel, you can use the pivot table or any kind of graph over there, like a bar chart, scatter plot, or a normalization. These are the plot or count plot you can use in your Excel also. But to write a code or to perform those things, you should have a good knowledge on Excel. As I provided the resources, if you do the courses over there, you might have the proficiency to perform a table on that. But if you do, if you want to perform on Power BI, because nowadays people who are having a Power BI or Tableau knowledge have the more chances to get a job very easily. So I'll recommend, or I'll just say to do the Power BI or Tableau, perform some charts over there, get the data, perform some um, create charts over there, create a descriptive analysis over there, get the categorical data, or get the continuous data, and perform some summation, arithmetical or aggregation task over there. So you will get experience, and once you get the experience, you can just go for an interview, I'll share. Okay, and then we have a cloud knowledge. Nowadays, people from data analytics or data science or any other field, like related to data, they want they want a candidate to have a cloud knowledge, because nowadays cloud is performing a very vital role in analytics also and science also. So for that, if you have a AWS or Azure or Google Cloud related, have a good knowledge, or having a knowledge how to store data. For AWS, you'll get free hours over there. Just go on AWS site, register yourself. Now once you register, you'll get some 200 hour or 180 hours free. Once you register, you get the free hours, and then perform some tasks. Just go on YouTube and watch YouTube playlist for AWS. So in AWS, you can do the S3 bucket, how to create a bucket, how to store the data on cloud, and also remove means once you complete it, just remove those bucket or S3 bucket, because if you store it for long time, it will cover all your free hours, and after that it will start charging you. So whenever you do perform such a task, make sure you remove your or delete your bucket. And if you don't have the full knowledge, just go and watch full videos and then perform such a task, because you are using a free resource. Okay, and after that you come into a programming knowledge. Nowadays it is not mandatory. First of all, it is not mandatory for a data analytical job, but nowadays programming language are playing a vital role to perform such a task, like pandas, NumPy, for pandas, manipulation, data manipulation, reading a data, performing some task over there. NumPy is for doing a mathematical operation. Then we have a Matplot and Seaborn, which is a visualization library. Then we have a Plotly. It is a advanced library where you can do the zoom in, zoom out. You can capture that data. You can do multiple tasks using those library. So as an analytics, if you have those knowledge of performing such a using those library, it will be beneficial for you, and also interview have a means he will be impressed by you. Okay, So if you have not followed my list, or if you are not followed my analytics series, I have just started before 5 day, and I have covered 2 to 3 videos over there. Just go and watch those videos. You may have a good knowledge on programming with the Python, that I'm going to perform whole series over there. So go and watch and add into your playlist, so you'll not miss any video in coming days. So one more thing, remember about 60% of job post in analytics does not require programming knowledge, first of all. But if you have the knowledge, it will always beneficiary for you, that the interview will be your side most of time, because they want someone who have a knowledge of a programming language. Yes, thank you for watching this video. I have covered all those skill set which require for data analytics, and I'm going to share all these resources in the description of this video. And also I have started the playlist of data analysis. Go and check that and watch. If you like it, comment down below. If you have any anything you want to say, like I should change in my videos, just comment down below. I make sure I'll change, or I'll make sure to upgrade or proficiently explain to you. Okay, and make sure you like this. Make sure you share with your friend, because sharing is caring, bro. And after that, subscribe to my channel, because it gives me a motivation. It gives me motivation to start gathering all data and uh, perform in front of you people. So yes, uh, this is the playlist, or this is the roadmap for 2024 of data analysis. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned. And as I mentioned, आ जाओ दोस्तों, मैं आपको डेटा एनालिसिस बना के ही रहूंगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. स्टे ट्यून.